So with the steps in play, we decided we wanted to keep accessorizing this Jeep, and what we wanted to do is also give it some more storage. So what better way to increase the storage of vehicle is to put a rack up on top.
And this is just what the doctor ordered. Now, this is the Weekender 4 roof rack and attachment system that we got from Just Jeep and stuff. I love it.
Now, what's great about it, first of all, it is a no-drill assembly, which is something that we are kind of insistent on, especially a brand new vehicle. You don't want to introduce an area where you can develop rust. This thing bolts into place, no drilling, which is key, and it looks good. Now, look at this thing right now. It's got that same blue as the vehicle does. You can get in all of the current colors for your Jeep, or gloss or flat black. The nice thing, too, it's not just painted. It is powder-coated. It's a 4-step process that is going to stay looking this good, so you can slam everything you want inside of it. It's not going to chip off, and it's going to maintain that good look and match right up with your vehicle.
You mentioned the fact that it's not all that heavy, right?
No, it's light, man.
No, it's not bad.
You ready?
Yep. All right. Oh, boy.
Careful.
This is when I get nervous.
Careful.
Yeah. There we go. All right.
Pick up and move.
Yep. Picking up and moving. All right.
So this is where it's going to live, sit right here behind the Freedom panel. So if you want to take those tops off, you can, and it won't get in the way of the storage rack. So when we talk about easy installation, it doesn't get much easier than this. No tools required. It simply slides in there, and then you've got this carriage bolt that'll go through the back and lock in. And first of all, we put this on real quick, like that. Snug this down. And because it's so light and easy, you can go ahead and just pick it up with one hand. Just slide this through the back. A little square hex here, it'll lock the back side of it, and boom, love it.